Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Braun all-in-one trimmer. Ooh, it's a hair clippers for man. MGK7221 or in Germany, O. It's a tiny warm body grooming kit for bird, for the ears, and for the nose. And all comes with the trimmers, the good old trimmers. And not only trimmers, we have a body groomer there and a hair clipper included. So, here's everything what we need for it. That's really cool. It comes in black finish, as you can see, and a little bit silver. Ooh, rechargeable all-in-one wet and dry body groomer and trimmer with unprecedented cutting performance versus the previous generation of Braun Bird's trimmers. 10-in-1 trimmers for the beard, face, hair, beard, of course, body, ear, and nose trimming. And it comes a free Gillette Fusion ProGlide razor for clean shaving. A lifetime sharp metal blades and 13 length settings, achieved with only 4 combs for ultimate styling precision. AutoSensing motor that adapts to any bird type for an effortless trimming experience. German technology with lithium-ion plus battery for 100 minutes of trimming after only 1 hour of charging. That's really awesome. In the box comes everything what you need for good grooming or trimming your heart, not your heart, your butt, and your hairs everywhere on your body. We must start from head to toe with the rechargeable MGK7221 10-in-1 body groomer and beard trimmer for man, powered by an AutoSensing motor that tackles both thick and thin birds effectively. The MGK7221 offers 13 lengths from 0.5 to 21 mm and lifetime sharp metal blades. Whoa, that's really cool. Recommended on the ambient temperature for charging and 5 degrees Celsius plus to 35 degrees Celsius. The battery may not charge properly or at all under extreme low or high temperature. So, it's no probe to charge it at house indoor temperature setting. We can easily dock it into the docking station and then let it there at for approximately 1 hour. And then it's ready for shaving, ready for trimming, ready for grooming. And there's more. The device itself, it is the type 5544 Braun trimmer, comes with a travel lock. We press the on and off button for 3 seconds to lock the pillions. A beep confirms that the travel lock is activated. To unlock, we press another 3 seconds on the button again. That means 3 beeps will sound when we are unlocked, attempted, failed. We try again and simply connect the pillions to the mains. We sliding the combs and place one of the combs over the trimmer head. We press the release button and slide the comb to our desired length. And we can make fixed combs. We click one of the combs onto the trimmer head, and we trim against the hair growth by guiding the flat comb part over the skin. We do not force the pillion through the hair faster than it can be cut, okay? We avoid clogging the comb with the hair. We remove and clean it from time to time. And we have a precision and contour trimming option. We use the trimming head without a comb attachment, the detailed trimmer head, or the mini fold shaver for shaping the sideburns, mustaches, and partial short birds. And we have an ear and a nose trimming device. Remove any head and click the ear and nose trimmer head onto the handle of the pillions. We carefully guide the pillions to the hair to be trimmed so that they reach into the cutting cage. Avoiding easily, we avoid to trim more than 5 millimeters. This is 1/4 inches into the nose or ear. And in the set there comes a body grooming kit that removes any head and collect the body groomer head into the handle. And it is designed for shaving and trimming of hair on the legs, chest, and underarms. We use it on dry skin only. Then it's time to clean and maintain our devices. We switch off the pillions, of course. We take off any head and comb. We use the brush to clean the heads, combs, and the pillions. We do not clean the foil of the body groomer head and mini foil shaver head with the brush, as this may damage it. The mini foil shaver head can be disassembled for proper cleaning. In case the foil frame is pulled out, it can just be clicked into the housing again. And the handle, the heads, and the combs can be cleaned under running water. We rinse until all residues have been removed. We let all parts dry completely before reassembling them. To keep the attachment working properly, the oil is the key. The oil, the trimmer, and the foil with a drop of the light machine oil regularly. And then it's time to go another round to make a nice and good looking head, hair, body hair, and nose hair, and every hair part on your body. And this is possible with this one set here. This is the Braun hair clippers for men, the MGK7221 10-in-1 body grooming kit. For the beard, for the ears, and for nose trimming. Body groomer in top, and the hair clipper is possible to use to clip your hairs. And on top, there is a razor blade included. So you have everything what you need. Make art on your body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.